Why is Namibia's skeleton coast so terrifying? Imagine a place where the desert crashes into the ocean and hundreds of shipwrecks are left to rot. Welcome to the Skeleton Coast, one of the most dangerous coastlines on Earth. Thick Atlantic fog, powerful currents, and rough waves have trapped countless ships here for centuries. Those who reach shore faced another deadly challenge: the vast Namib Desert, where water is scarce and survival is incredibly difficult. Today, the Skeleton Coast is known for its haunting shipwrecks, towering sand dunes, and unique wildlife, making it one of the most mysterious and breathtaking places in the world. Would you dare to explore the Skeleton Coast? If you love this video, please hit that like and subscribe button.